Hey everybody, welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2019 and a half Forest River Cardinal Limited 3780 LFLE. This is the newest version of the Cardinal Limited. We're going to take a few minutes and walk you around the inside and outside of the coach. This particular camper is a rear living room, mid-bunk front bedroom model. So right now we are kind of looking toward the kitchen area. This particular unit was ordered with the larger 20 cubic foot refrigerator. So you have the freezer on bottom, refrigerator on top. Another feature this was ordered with, this is kind of unique, this was ordered with the optional dishwasher. This is on the end of the island and has a fold down door. Some brands do a slide out version of this, but it's a pretty cool feature. Gives you a dishwasher in the coach. Solid surface HiMac, LG HiMac countertops. Furrion oven has the glass door and the light up knobs. Little drawer down below there. Glass stovetop. You have the larger Furrion microwave up top. Nice big flat screen TV. And that TV actually flips up. The wall of it does, and there's storage in behind there. I'll show you when we get over there. Furrion wide electric fireplace. Jensen DVD stereo system down there. We'll kind of go in here a little bit and flip this up so you can kind of see in behind it there. So it gives you quite a bit of extra storage just by making that TV flip up. On the back of the camper, you have the sofa area. That does make into a bed. You have USB and electric outlets on both sides of the sofa. Nice big windows across the back, overhead cabinets, little LED accent lighting up there. There's 4 speakers in the ceiling right here in the living room area, plus your ceiling fan. Also, while we're looking up here, you can see the return duct for the Whisper Quiet air conditioning system. So this is a better, more high-performance AC and quieter, so when you're in here trying to watch TV on those rainy days, you can hear a little bit better. Theater seating. A lot of vinyl floor throughout the coach. Stainless undermount sink. Has the high-rise pull-out sprayer faucet. Freestanding dinette with 4 chairs. And that dinette does have an extension leaf on the end of it. I have a little advertisement thing here. You can kind of pause the video and read some of this stuff if you guys want. But just a quick little showing of that. Some of the features on the camper. Now back to the rest of the coach here. Behind this door is the mid-bunk area. So this swing open door, you have a little sofa there, makes into a bed, and overhead bunk that folds down. Some cabinet drawer space, electric box with some breakers down there. TV setup here if you want to do a TV. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you know somebody looking for one of these things or are interested in keeping up with more of our videos. Toll-free number 888-417-8299. My direct extension 203. Behind the other door here is kind of a big pantry area. And in between the doors, you have the thermostat and furnace control for the downstairs air, the fantastic fan control for the fantastic fan here in the kitchen, and some light switches. Looking back up toward the front here, you can see the hallway area. That's where you enter into the coach, right in the middle of the camper, basically. Linoleum going all the way up into the master bedroom up there. Little storage shelf when you first walk into the doorway. Nice grab handle going up the hallway. And a little step ladder there going up to the loft area. So you got a little extra storage or sleeping space up here. In the hallway area here is your master control area. So you have a ceiling fan light here, some other light switches, tank heaters for your holding tanks, monitor panels, awning in and out, slide out in and out buttons, inverter control. Quite a few things right here in this panel. And it's kind of nice, it's hidden behind a door. Up a little bit further here, we are into the bathroom area right here. Again, all vinyl floor through here. Plenty of room to get in and out of the shower and actually get dressed. Nice big skylight over the shower area. A little roof vent up there with a fan in it. Some storage space there. You have heat and air both in the bathroom area. And it's kind of a little tub area. Looks like it's about 5 or 6 inches deep roughly. So if you do have a small child, you could fill it up and give them a little bath. Spinning around again, we are into the bedroom area for the master bedroom. You have a 4-dresser cabinet there, electric outlet on the side of the dresser. Flat screen TV. You can see the returns in the ceiling again for the second Whisper Quiet air conditioner that this unit was ordered with. Wall thermostat and light switch over there for the air conditioner and the ceiling lights. Electric outlet down there. Also have some USB chargers built into the little sides of the bed holders there. Window on both sides of the bed also open. Some lights up there. They turn on and off individually in your bedroom slide out there. The bed does raise up, so there is storage underneath of it. It's probably about 3 or 4 inches deep, roughly. This was also ordered with the optional stackable washer-dryer system. So you do have washer-dryer you're seeing in here. If you don't want that feature, some customers choose not to do that for just weekend camping, and that would be more hanging closet space. To the right of the area here, you have some more shelf space. We're going to slide this door over and kind of look back in here a little bit to give you an idea what this closet area is like. So you got quite a bit of closet space for clothes. And they even have little lights in there too. Spinning back around here so you can see the other part of the bedroom area here from a different angle. Again, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with our videos. Toll-free number 888-417-8299, my direct extension 203. Walking back down here, going back out to the front section here. We're going to take a few minutes and walk you around the outside of the coach next. All right, guys, we are now on the outside of this new Cardinal Limited 3780 model. We're going to walk around the outside here real quick, show you some differences here. Main difference on the outside is going to be color and graphics. They did change them up for the 19.5. So the painted section of the front cap got a little bit darker. It's more of a black instead of a light grayish pewter color. So that changed up a little bit. This unit was ordered with the MORryde hitch pen box there, you can see. You got LED lights on the corners here. This one was done with, again, the washer dryer you saw inside, and it vents right out the bottom here. This unit was also ordered with the optional generator. That is an Onan 5500 watt LP generator. So that is what it looks like when you order a Cardinal with a generator. Was also ordered with the optional disc brakes. These optional disc brakes have a reservoir back here, and that is where you check your brake fluid. Up above that is your hydraulic reservoir for the auto level system jacks. 6-point hydraulic auto level jacks. The light switch for the front cap lights is located right there to the right of the door. Looking down the door side here, you can see nice power awning. There is a security light in that top corner there. A porch light above the entry door. Deep tint safety glass windows. 2 outdoor speakers here. The TV mount there, if you want to do a TV outside, there's a little mount, electric outlet, and cable outlet right there. Down below is a propane hookup for a portable grill or something along those lines if you wanted to do some sort of grill. This storage door on this side has magnetic holders that hold it up, slam lock baggage doors. Battery disconnect in the storage compartment here, and electric outlet there. Some little tie downs in there also. Gas, electric, water heater. Another electric outlet over there. There you can see the middle jack. Now normally there would be some steps right here. This was ordered with the optional MORryde step. Standard is a traditional fold-out RV step. So this was ordered with an upgraded step. That's why you're not seeing them out at the moment. I'm doing this with the slides closed because it's real tight through here. I don't have a lot of room for the video, but I wanted to at least kind of show you the outside real quick. Kia-like door and storage door. Pretty cool feature there. A lot of them use multiple keys. You have the upgraded MORryde 3000 suspension system in between here. The Dexter never adjust brakes. Roll back here to the back section here real quick so you can see the rear end of the coach. This is the standard rear end. So you have a flat back. When you upgrade to the luxury version of the Cardinal, you have an option for a fiberglass cap. But most of these fifth wheels nowadays are going back to a flat rear end. Nice big ladder. This one was ordered with the observation camera up there, so you can use that while driving down the road or backing up. LED taillights back here. Your power cord hooks up on the lower left-hand side. Little 1.25" bike rack hitch receiver down here if you want to do some bikes. And you can kind of see up underneath here a little bit. Fully enclosed underbelly. Looking down the driver's side here, you got 3 slide outs on this side of the coach. The radio antenna located on the side there. You can kind of see here the lower jack for the back section there, the hydraulic rear leveler. Your dump area right underneath of that slide section right there. Panning up a little bit, there is another security light right there. Furnace exhaust out on this side. You have your docking station area here. So you got 2 of your dump valves here. So you got a gray and a galley here. There's also a black one close to the dump area right back there. Outside shower, hot and cold water. Your little bypass winterizing valves, cable satellite inlets, light out here. The other side of the storage compartment here, again another light in there. Going forward a little bit further, we have our information stickers about construction and things like that. Two 7,000-pound axles, ST235/80R 16 G-range tires. VIN numbers, production dates, all that type of stuff is right here on the videos. Tire pressure, everything they kind of do there. Gross vehicle weight of the camper, 16,280. So that's the most you can load the camper to before you risk breaking it. Now that has a lot of hitch weight included in there. Again, all weight of campers is not sitting on the axles. That's what those legs down there are for. You have hitch weight. That's what that pen box up there is for. When it's hooked to your truck, you have hitch weight. That hitch weight is a couple thousand pounds on most vehicles, so that is important to understand. Again, Ray, Couch's RV Nation. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Toll-free number, 888-417-8299. My direct extension, 203.